Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. I am drawing leaf shapes. Draw the one more flower like this. Draw the leaves. Same repeat here. Now I am using light blue color sketch pen. I am shading with light blue color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. Draw like this. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this. This was completed. Now I am using red color sketch pen. I am shading with red color sketch pen. Now I am using red color pencil. Fill this middle space with red color pencil. Here I am using yellow color brush pen. Now I am using green color brush pen. Draw like this. Same repeat here. Now I am using green color pencil. Fill this middle space with green color pencil. Fill like this. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this ribbon. Draw the ribbon outline like this. I am using light blue color sketch pen. Fill this middle space with light blue color sketch pen. Shade like this. Same repeat here. I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Fill like this. Draw the 3 lines like this. Draw like this. Draw the round shape. Fill this middle space with red color pencil. Fill like this. Same repeat here. Again I am using red color pencil.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.